Hello, I'm Muskan Khandelwal and you are watching Indian Masterminds. In the concluding episode of this series of bureaucrats joining politics, we bring about stories of several bureaucrats, mostly police officers, who have been hopping onto the political movement, predominantly the BJP, even when it was in opposition. The reason could be anybody's guess, but history does bear it that most of them have been successful in securing a berth in Lok Sabha or UP Assembly. Let's see who all have formed the trend. But before we move forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get all the instant updates. A 1991 batch IPS officer, Dawa Sherpa, tops the list of bureaucrats who have joined the politics. He remained absent from the service from 2008 to 2012. He applied for VRS in 2008, but the request has not been accepted by the then Chief Minister Mayawati, as he did not fulfill the mandatory condition of having 20 years of service. However, this resident of Darjeeling in West Bengal joined the BJP, claiming to contest the 2009 Lok Sabha election from the Darjeeling. However, the party once again fielded former Union Minister Jaswant Singh, leaving Sherpa in a lurch. Undeterred, Dawa Sherpa joined the All India Gorkha League, soon taking over as convener of the party. But when his party failed to make a mark in Gorkhaland politics, he returned to UP in 2012. The then Akhilesh Yadav government not only re-inducted him, but also regularized his services. He was promoted as DIG next year and later as ADG of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's home district Gorakhpur. He had earlier served as SSP of Bhadohi, Ajamgarh, Sultanpur, Sitapur, Sonbhadra, Kushinagar and Muzaffarnagar. Besides him, a former DG Home Guards, Surya Kumar Shukla, had hit headlines by working for reconstruction of Ayodhya's Ram Janmabhoomi temple. After retirement, he formally joined the BJP. Shailendra Singh, a state service police officer who has the distinction of being the only police officer to arrest mafia Mukhtar Ansari in 2004 only to resign from the job in protest of being transferred out, contested the 2004 Lok Sabha elections from Varanasi as an independent candidate. He contested the 2009 Lok Sabha polls and the 2012 assembly elections as a Congress candidate but lost both times. Finally, he found solace in the warm embrace of the BJP. Prem Prakash, a 1993 batch retired IPS officer, joined the BJP on May 21. He was once considered very close to former Chief Minister and BSP Supremo Mayawati. He earned a reputation as an encounter specialist and was the officer in charge who brought mafia politician Mukhtar Ansari from Rupert jail in Punjab to Banda jail in UP 3 years ago. By inducting a Dalit officer into its rank, the BJP hoped to intrude into the BSP's core Dalit vote bank. Prem Prakash was not only the Dalit officer to join the BJP. Barely a fortnight ago, former DGP of UP, Vijay Kumar, a 1988 batch IPS officer, too joined the Saffron Brigade. He too was known for his proximity to BSP chief Mayawati. He had taken over as the state's police chief in the May last year, only to retire in January this year. Before him, 1977 batch IPS officer Brij Lal, also a former DGP of the state, had joined the BJP soon after his retirement in 2014 and was inducted into the Rajya Sabha last year. The trend of UP bureaucrats joining politics post-retirement is not new. Former DM of Faizabad, KK Nair, who got the Ramlala idols installed inside the Babri Masjid premises in 1947, too had joined politics, contested Lok Sabha elections from Faizabad and was elected on the Bharatiya Jan Sangh BJP in its earlier incarnation ticket. The latest round started after the demolition of Babri Masjid in 1992, when the then SSP of Faizabad, DM Roy, after retirement, contested as a BJP candidate from neighbouring Sultanpur in 1996 polls and won handsomely. He was re-elected in 1998 as well. He also earned the distinction of being the only person to be elected twice to this seat consecutively. Another officer to join the BJP was 1980 batch IPS officer and former commissioner of Mumbai Police Satyapal Singh. He took voluntary retirement in 2014, contested the Lok Sabha election from Baghpat, defeating Lok Dal Supremo and former Prime Minister Charan Singh's son, Ajit Singh. Being a giant killer, he was inducted into the Modi cabinet as Minister of State for Education. He was fielded again in 2019 and returned to parliament, defeating Ajit Singh's son Jayant Chaudhary. He was, however, denied a ticket in 2024. Two other police officers to join the BJP were 1996 batch Provincial Police Service Officer and former Joint Director of Enforcement Directorate Rajeshwar Singh, who won the 2022 Assembly election from Sarojini Nagar constituency in Lucknow. His senior, a 1994 batch IPS officer Asim Arun, too joined the BJP and got selected in the Assembly in 2022 from Kannauj. He has earlier served as Police Commissioner of Kanpur and also in the Special Protection Group guarding the Prime Minister. Another IPS officer, Gyan Singh, who retired from the service in 2013, joined the BJP in 2015. Another police officer to join the BJP was Satyapal Singh Baghel, who resigned from the post of Sub-Inspector of Police in 1996 and was elected to Lok Sabha 4 times. He was also inducted as Minister of State in Modi government. It's not that all bureaucrats have been joining the BJP. A former DIG, Ahmed Hassan, who retired in 1994, joined Samajwadi Party. He was elected in Legislative Council in 1996 and was considered close to party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav. A 1972 batch IPS officer, S.R. Darapuri, too joined the politics. Quite vocal on Dalit issues, Darapuri formed his own political party, contested Lok Sabha election in 2004 and 2014, but lost both times. That's all for today. I'm Muskan Khandilwal signing off. Thank you for watching Indian Masterminds. We will keep bringing interesting aspects of bureaucracy from time to time. Keep watching and supporting us.